Save your project right away and give it a proper name. Work out a system so you know what to search for. Activate design shortcuts with the keyboard shortcut S and use the search bar to find new components. Name your component and make sure that it is activated. Create a sketch on any construction plane. Fusion 360 automatically adjusts the view unless you change preferences not to. I'll demonstrate Inscribed Polygon in this tutorial. It's convenient for you to start in the center point of your canvas. Type a distance, set the number of size to 6, and press keyboard shortcut E to jump straight to Extrude. Type a height and press Enter on your keyboard. Create a new sketch. Press and hold your left mouse button to find the construction plane behind your body. You might need to iterate this action a few times. Activate the line commando and draw a triangle. Finish your sketch. The blue color indicates that your sketch is closed. Activate the revolve commando and select an axis in the center of your body. As you see, this cupped operation is too small. You can keep the revolve operation, but you need to go back in time and edit your sketch. Try new dimensions, finish your sketch and press home. Still not good. You can drag your constrained sketch to the right. Finish your sketch and press the view cube to reorient your view. This Hexnut looks better. Edit your sketch again so the bottom of the Hexnut looks like the top. Create a construction line as a reference line and mirror your design. Pay attention to the mirror options. One is for sketches and one is for bodies. Select your objects and mirror your line. Finish your sketch. Activate the new sketch in your revolve commando and enjoy what starts to look like something. Place a hole in the center of your body. Set the depth of your hole to the bottom of your body. I'll demonstrate a simple hole, size 10 millimeters. It's very important that you activate the checkbox Modeled. Use keyboard shortcut A to activate appearances in Fusion 360. Search for a good-looking appearance in the Fusion 360 library. Drag and drop your choice onto the body in the canvas. You can right-click your appearance and edit your color and roughness. Press Escape to exit appearances and use the view cube to navigate in your design. Subscribe to the channel, watch the Autodesk Fusion 360 for Beginners playlist, and see you in the next video. Bye.